everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to talk to you about the stroke volume, and I'm going to start by drawing two left ventricles. Okay, so this is what we need. So let's say that right now in the first left ventricle we have the mitral valve, and the mitral valve is filling the left ventricle with blood that is coming back from the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. So it is it's oxygenated blood. And in the second left ventricle, we have the rest of the blood that is left after the aortic valve was closed, and the amount of blood in here was taken by the aorta to the rest of the body. So what is the stroke volume? The stroke volume is basically the amount of blood that is ejected to the body. So how do we measure it? So in here we have the EDV. It is the end diastolic volume. It is the amount of blood that was filled by the mitral valve, and we just talked about it. So it's the end diastolic volume. It's the amount of blood that we have after the end of diastole, after the end of the filling phase by the mitral valve. So this is the EDV, and it's also known as the preload. So it is the preload of the blood before it goes to the aorta, before it goes to the aortic valve, and the aortic valve would take it to the aorta, and it would go to the rest of the body. And here we will have the amount of blood that is left after our blood was taken to the body by the aorta. So if we want to measure the stroke volume, we would have to subtract the EDV with the ESV, which is, like I said, it's the end systolic volume. It's the volume of blood that we find in the left ventricle after the end of systole. If we abstract these two from each other, we will be able to get the stroke volume. We will be able to know how much of this blood that was left in the left ventricle after the filling phase was taken to the body. We want to know how much of it was taken. So by abstracting these two amounts, we will be able to know the stroke volume. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video. And if you have any question, you can ask me down there in the comments, and I will be more than happy to answer you.